The future of robotics holds tremendous promise and is likely to have a profound impact on various aspects of our society and daily lives. As technology continues to advance, we can expect the following trends and developments in the field of robotics. Future robots will become more autonomous and capable of making complex decisions on their own. Advances in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning will enable robots to adapt to changing environments and unforeseen situations, making them more versatile and useful in a wide range of applications. Collaborative robots, often referred to as cobots, will become more prevalent. These robots will work alongside humans in various settings, from manufacturing floors to healthcare facilities. They will be designed to be safe and easy to interact with, enabling humans and robots to complement each other's strengths. The use of robots in our daily lives will expand. This includes robots designed for domestic chores, elder care, and personal assistance. These robots will help with tasks such as cleaning, cooking, and companionship, improving our quality of life. Robotics will continue to play a significant role in healthcare. Surgical robots will become even more precise and capable. Telemedicine robots will assist in remote healthcare, and robotic exoskeletons will aid in rehabilitation and mobility. Autonomous drones and self-driving cars will become more common. These robots will revolutionize transportation, making it safer and more efficient. They will also have applications in delivery services and logistics. Robots will play a crucial role in space exploration, helping with tasks such as planetary exploration, maintenance of space stations, and even asteroid mining. The development of autonomous and adaptable robots will be essential for the success of these missions. Robots will be used to address environmental challenges, such as monitoring and maintaining ecosystems, cleaning up pollution, and assisting in disaster response. Autonomous drones and underwater robots will play key roles in environmental conservation efforts. As robots become more integrated into our lives, there will be increasing focus on ethical and legal issues. These include questions related to robot rights, privacy concerns, and liability for robot actions. The development of guidelines and regulations will be necessary to address these issues. Educational robots will continue to play a role in teaching programming, problem solving, and critical thinking skills to students of all ages. They will make learning more engaging and interactive. The proliferation of robotics will have both positive and negative economic and social impacts. While robots can increase productivity, there are concerns about job displacement. Preparing the workforce for the changing landscape and creating policies to address potential challenges will be important. The future of robotics is bright and filled with exciting possibilities. As technology advances and society becomes more accepting of robots, we can expect to see them in an increasing number of applications, improving our lives, industries, and the way we interact with the world around us. However, addressing ethical, legal, and social implications will be essential as we move forward into this robotic future.